So we are given the question, what happens when a freshly prepared precipitate of FeOH3 is shaken with a small amount of FeCl3 solution? So the answer is colloidal dispersion of FeOH3 is formed. This process is called peptization. During peptization, a precipitate is converted into colloidal particles by adding suitable electrolyte. In the above example, FeCl3 solution is the peptizing agent. On the second part, persistent dialysis of a colloidal solution is carried out. So the stability of a colloidal solution is due to the presence of a small amount of the electrolyte. On persistent dialysis, the electrolyte is completely removed. As a result, the colloidal solution becomes unstable and gets coagulated. And for the third part, an emulsion is centrifuged. When an emulsion is centrifuged, the emulsification is broken into constituent liquids, that is, demulsification takes place.